Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make ramen noodles. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken a pan and put it on the stove on low flame. With that, I've taken half cup of oil and I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and that's also available at any supermarket, so you do not have to worry about that. And I'm going to fry until it turns out to be brown. I'm gonna take some chicken. I've taken 1/4 kilograms of boneless chicken, and I'm going to add it in this, and I'm going to fry it unless it turns out to be tender, and it will start changing its color towards brown. Like it will change to pink, from pink to brown. With that, I'm gonna add soya sauce 1 teaspoon, and we have to make the chicken quite crispy and brown. Now you can clearly see the chicken has turned out to be brown. Now we're going to add some vegetables. I'm adding capsicum 1 cup and I have chopped it. With that, I'm taking carrots 1 cup as well. So I've taken the orange carrot. With that, I'm adding cabbage 1 cup, and next we are going to add chili sauce, red chili sauce, like 1 teaspoon. That would be enough. With that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and for like spices you can add it according to your taste. If you like more chili, you can add more chili. If you like less chili, it's up to you. So I'm going to add all this ketchup into this pot, and now I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to mix it quite well and fry until these turns out to be tender. So now you can see that these have started to be tender. Now we're going to move towards the next part. That's gonna be adding more spices. I have added red chili flakes 1 teaspoon. With that, I'm gonna add coriander powder 1 teaspoon. And with that, I'm gonna take some salt. For that, I'm gonna add black pepper 1 teaspoon. And now I'm going to mix all these spices. So while I'm mixing all these ingredients, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. Now cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes so that it turns out to be soft and it is really tender. So now you can see the water is separated, and now we're going to add some boiled Maggi noodles, or you can say ramen. Like I've taken 1 bowl of noodles. Now mix all the veggies and masalas with noodles, and we also have chicken in it. So these are chicken ramen noodles. Now you can see I'm doing it very carefully so that the noodles does not just get break. And now you can see the noodles are about to be ready, but we're going to cover it for 2 to 3 minutes so that these are quite cooked well and hot as well. Now you can see our recipe is completely ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and do subscribe to my channel. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. And thanks for watching.